Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your PC browser. Many players want to enjoy their favorite mobile battle royale on a larger screen without the hassle of installing heavy software. We'll guide you through the simple process of using cloud gaming platforms, allowing you to jump into the action quickly. This method offers a convenient way to play, bypassing traditional emulators and making the game accessible with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to choose a reliable cloud gaming platform. Services like Now, GG are popular choices that allow you to stream mobile games directly to your browser. It's important to verify that the service supports PUBG Mobile and is compatible with your PC's web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Some platforms offer free trials, which is a great way to test the service before committing to a subscription. Once you've selected a platform, the next step is to create an account and log in. After successfully logging in, you can usually find PUBG Mobile in their game library. Launch the game, and you'll be prompted to log in with your existing PUBG Mobile credentials. Take a moment to adjust your in-game settings, like controls and graphics, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience tailored to your preferences. To ensure the best possible experience, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial. A wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi to minimize latency and provide consistent speeds. Also, optimize your web browser by closing any unnecessary tabs or applications running in the background. This helps dedicate your PC's resources to the game stream, providing a smoother and more responsive gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.